It's the brand new Mercedes CLE 2026. Customers just picked it up and they've secured it with a Meta Immobiliser. So this is a tag-based system. We have two tags, one for the keys, one for the spare. If someone tried to steal this CLE 2026 plate, started it up, it's going to start and then it's going to switch off and cut out and it's going to go nowhere. There you go, it's cut out. So if we start it, this hybrid goes to ready, they go to drive away, sit in it for a second, it cuts out. So this happens hybrid or petrol engine, the vehicle's going to cut out. How you drive this, you have your tags, you press the button, receive a flash and then start the vehicle. It starts up, remains running and you can drive it away. To get one of these fitted, this is our Meta Immobiliser. You can either visit our website immobiliserfit.com to book your installation, or you can give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the brand new 2026 plate Mercedes CLE Hybrid with our Meta Immobiliser.